Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or activate two-step verification for your Instagram account. So if you want to add an extra layer of security to your Instagram account, you can simply enable the two-step verification for that using the steps I'm going to show you in today's video. Alright, so with two-step verification, whenever you log in to your Instagram on a new device, you will be required to enter a code that will be sent to your phone number. So even if someone else will try to access your account from their device, they will also be required to enter that code. So that's how your account will stay secure. Alright, so yeah, without talking anymore, let's jump into the video. So first of all, you have to open the Instagram app and then you have to tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here you have to tap the three horizontal lines, that's the menu icon at the top, and then you have to go to settings. From here you have to select the security option, where you will get the option two-factor authentication. So you have to simply tap that, and now here it's written that add extra security to your account. Two-factor authentication protects your account by requiring a login code when you log in on a device that we don't recognize. Alright, so yeah, you simply have to tap get started, and now you are getting three options how you want to receive the security code. So you can use the authentication app. Alright, so yeah, you can also use WhatsApp. We will need you to enable text messages first, then we will send a login code to your WhatsApp. Alright, or if you want, you can enable the text message if you don't want to use your internet for receiving the code. So you will get the code to the number that you will choose. Alright, so for now I'm gonna select the text message option, but if you want to know more about the authentication app, you can tell me in the comment section below. I will make a separate video on that. And for WhatsApp, there is nothing to explain, as you will get the login code on your WhatsApp. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna turn on the text message option, and now here you have to enter your country code as well as your phone number. Once you are done entering that, press next. Now I have to enter the confirmation code that I have received on my phone number. So I'm gonna go and check my inbox of my mobile device. So that's the code I have just received. Now I'm gonna press next. So as you can see, two-factor authentication is on. Your phone number ending in these digits has been added to your account. We will now ask for a login code whenever you log in on a phone or computer we don't recognize. So make sure you always keep your phone number updated if you are using this option. Otherwise you may get logged out of your Instagram and there will be no option left to recover it if you don't have your phone number. So make sure you keep on changing your phone numbers. You should always update them before on Instagram before getting logged out of it. Alright, so that's how you can activate or enable two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. So you have to press done, and here you are getting some recovery codes. So if you lose your phone or can't receive a code via text message or an authentication app, you can use these backup codes to get back into your account, store them in a safe place. So that's a good thing from Instagram, that in case you are not able to access your phone number or you are not receiving any text message from them, or the authentication app is not working, what you can do is you just have to keep these codes in a secure place, and you can use them whenever you want to unlock your Instagram account. Whenever you are asked for a login code, you can enter these codes. So you must note down them somewhere. Alright, do not ignore them or do not take this lightly, as anytime you may lose access to your Instagram due to unseen circumstances. So make sure you keep a backup of these codes, and whenever you get logged out of your Instagram or you are not able to enter the verification code that you received via text message, you can use these codes one by one. So these are 5. Alright, so that's about the complete two-step verification process of Instagram. So yeah, that was all for this video. For any doubts or queries, you can reach out to the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.